Here in front of me, I've got the DeLorean Back to the Future Part 2 time machine from the brand Vitesse. I have it for a while now and it is still in the package, wrapped around in plastic. What a shame. Very cool picture, by the way, here on the side. At the time, license plate. Got it right here. Okay, here we see a photo of the model that's inside with an opening part that is very interesting and one of the reasons I bought it. As you can see, it's bigger than 1/64, the scale that I normally buy, but hey, it's a DeLorean Back to the Future time machine. And I've got some accessories, also in the same scale, 1/43 scale. So I think that is a pretty cool set. Here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Where have I bought this model? I bought it at Tom's. We'll place a link to the store in the description of the video. And don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that. Now let's see. Here we have a knife. Go on the sides. Comes with a cool mirror in the back. I like that. Do I have more models from Vitesse? Nope. This is my first model from this brand. Nice display case. With a 143, I prefer display case. With 164, I prefer box package. But a 143 model comes more to his right. Let's see. Okay, yep. We have a piece of tape right here. And we have a piece of tape on this side. What? Where is the license plate? Or is this the license plate from Back to the Future 2? Because if it has no license plate, I am very disappointed. Okay. What do we see at the box? So here's a picture from the back. Let's see. No, doesn't look like it comes with a license plate. But maybe I'm wrong. But if you post a picture from this here on the side, you would expect that it comes with a license plate, right? Or did it fall off? I have no idea. Okay, let's take it off the base. Have a better look. Serious? If I knew this before I bought it, I think I do not have bought this model. Plastic base, trademark, Universal Studio, and U-Drive. Yeah, this is here for the opening part. I need a sharper knife. This is right here. Whoop, there we go. Okay, front looks good. I love the paint. Yeah, wheel was a little bit too tight on the display stand. Authentic rims. Oh, no license plate. Well, I have to look it up after the video because no, it has to be that out of time license plate. But I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so here we have the interior, lots of details, the color details on the dashboard. I like that. Yeah, this looks absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look in the back. To be honest, I can't say if everything here is right. And then I'm talking about the details. I like the movie, but I'm not a Back to the Future expert. So that's also the reason I'm a little bit confused about the license plate. Maybe it is the right license plate. But overall, I think this is a very cool model. Okay. Again, let's have a look at the base. Pretty good details. Back to the Future car. It says Vitesse 143 scale, made in China. Okay, now let's have a look at the figures. I also bought these at Tom's. They're not the best detailed figures I have seen. But as far as I know, these are the only available, and they're made out of diecast. But I think the face, it's not that bad. Got an antenna, flexible antenna for the remote control. The nuclear sign here on the back. And this is also not Back to the Future 2, I believe. No, it doesn't stand. You would expect for a bigger figure that it will stand on its own, but unfortunately that's not the case. We can do it like this, yep. And then we have Marty McFly. There we go. Yeah, these are the figures from the first Back to the Future movie. Yeah, not super bad. You also got the Nike logo on the shoes. Forgot to paint the nose. Nude. Okay. It can stand by itself. Also not that. Yeah. Okay. Then I've got the gate. Let's see. Lion Estates. Ready out of the box. And of course you can also, oh, look what I did. Oh no. Okay, going to need some glue for that. So you have to be careful when you take this out of the package. So you see, have to be really careful, really careful, really careful. There we go. But with the accessories, it's a pretty cool set, I have to say. Okay, I'm going to glue it back on. I'm going to see if the license plate is correct. I'm going to do that right now. Back in a sec. Okay, so I checked the license plate and the license plate is okay. Phew! Also fixed the Lion Estate gate. Easy fix. And now the only thing I have to do is make a thumbnail for the video and everything is okay. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.